Vastu Shastra Part 2. So earlier part with 3 points, Vastu Shastra was designed at the times when there was no electricity, there was no artificial sources of energy, sources of lights. It was created only for bungalows. It was not created for buildings or multiple floors, not even parking, and then it was like direct access to Kida Makoda or for anyone directly. It was not created for buildings. It was not created for high rise for sure. And it was electricity is a major aspect, and lights is major aspect, and third aspect is that no sanitation. People used to go outside the city, outside the village, and there was no sanitation in the house, so it was not created at that time. Vastu Shastra was not created for all these factors. So in modern life, what a common person can do for Vastu Shastra? Okay, there are a lot of things, and it's complex science. I understand it's a complex checklist. It could be 50 points, 100 points. It's okay. And people spend crores and lakhs and multi-million or quarter million, etc. Amount on. So they need to just get that peace of mind कि भाई देख लिया है किसी ने तो अप्रूव कर दिया है, थोड़ा चेंज कर दिया भाई. So that's fine. I am fine. But I'm fine with that. But let's just quick few points every person can do when they are shopping for. So best कैसा है कि एंट्रेंस. अभी एंट्रेंस पे कैसा है, जस्ट इमेजिन के डू यू वांट एनी सांप, कीड़ा मकोड़ा, सांप वगैरह वगैरह एट एंट्रेंस. सो इट्स अ सिंपल आस्पेक्ट के Vastu Shastra is designed by Suraj. Vastu Shastra is designed by the sun as the only source of energy, light. So sunrise. So east direction is, northeast direction is the most sacred direction. Northeast is the most sacred. Then east, northeast, then north, and then east are the three great directions for great things in your life. What are the great things in your life? Your kitchen, your water source, drinking water, your water source, where you store your water, your kitchen, your घर पे आपका जो भगवान रखते हैं, जहाँ पे भगवान का जो ये है वो, and anything which is considered as sacred is northeast, north and east direction. घर का entrance भी, it should be in these three directions, in that priority when you shop for the flat or bungalow, especially bungalow. Flat के लिए तो let's discuss that later. तो ठीक है. So that is the thought, basic thought कि all good things needs to be in these directions, because क्या है कि these are positive directions. Northeast is called as God's direction. Southwest is demons, etc. Southwest. So northeast is the most pure and best direction. After that north and then east. I would say east more so, but ठीक है. Direct Surya is good. But yeah, so northeast, north and east are the best directions for good things in your house, study, office place, workplace, where good things happen, where you need enough sunlight, you need fresh sunlight, you need fresh hawa वगैरह वगैरह, and you need fresh positive vibes, etc. Of course, you will not have master bedroom where physical activity happens. You should not be having that in northeast or east or north. It should be southwest, west, etc. So southwest and west are the direction where southwest, south and west. These are the three where you will have your जो sanitation tank वगैरह यहाँ पे जहाँ से लेके जाएंगे लोग public, and where you keep the dirty things. You don't have kitchen there. Simple thought है उसके पीछे कि you don't want to have kitchen in southwest or west direction where you don't get sunlight, because then पुराने ज़माने सोचो, पुराने ज़माने no lights, you'll have मोमबत्ती वगैरह maybe, and you are having those चूल्हा with gases वगैरह, gas वैसे नहीं था तो चूल्हा विला, you'll have that, you'll be making food in a dark place where already कीड़ा मकोड़ा रहेगा. तो obviously you don't want your home entrance, you don't want your good places where you sit, where you hang out, where you eat food, where you study, where you do good stuff, or you are with Bhagwan. You don't want them at southwest or south or west direction, because वहाँ पे सूरज नहीं आता है अच्छा. That direction becomes, what do you say, stale, not so good, with कीड़ा मकोड़ा and सांप वाप, जो भी आपको समझना है. Because just imagine the times of Vastu Shastra design, how those times were. दूर दूर इधर रहते होंगे, not the schemes like this, and you'll have animals वगैरह staying around, etc. So these are the bad directions to have, and then you'll have the bad thing, that storage or bad thing or stale things, etc. And sanitation, etc. You'll have that southwest, south and west direction. And also you'll have master bedroom, physical activity. You don't need a lot of light, right? Or physical activity. So that is the thought process. Okay? You have that activity is not supposed to be like what you say. You're not doing puja, etc. Right? You don't need, or you're not preparing food or serving food. Yeah. So you need to have southwest and south or west. It's good for bedrooms, master bedroom or bedrooms. It's good for bedrooms. And workplace, water storage, kitchen, and eating place, etc., where you spend most of your time, or most of family most of the time, should be the northeast, north and east direction. So that is the broad division for your own personal care. And अभी हो गया part 3 let's look at, this is part 2. Part 3 let's look at कि अगर नहीं है समझो, you are searching for, you got the best location and best area, and but वो south opening to the south है, opening towards ये है. हाँ, तो northeast is best, but northwest also ठीक है भाई, चल जाएगा. Southeast चल जाएगा maybe कितना. So that part 3 में देखते हैं हम लोग वास्तु के how to then tweak, and what are the other considerations in modern life to have turnaround over some wrong directions or wrong things. So let's look at part 3 now.